876. 876. My name is Kanji Coder. You're on video 876. The source code is here. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Top level constant macros. Explosion shapes. We have 4 different types of explosions. We have a ring explosion, laser explosion, jack explosion, and box explosion emitted by our different types of explosives in the level design. This is not allowed. There's no such thing as a void explosion shape. Okay, down here, damage bits and special effects. These are monkey wrench macros. Further down, we have the damage bit and special effect for the spark pin, damage bit and special effect for laser box, damage bit and special effect for jack's bomb, damage bit and special effect for box bomb. Okay, next section. Okay, in the illegal stuff section, we have monkey wrench macros for some misspellings of the V16 to ES4 lookup table, and then misspellings of the V16 bomb to V16 FATA lookup table. Within data by system, within the rule bomb constants, or sorry, not rule bomb constants, rule bomb data. This is a lookup table here. We're not supposed to mutate it, but it's not a constant because it doesn't fit under the rules of a simple C99 macro. We have rule bomb V16 converted to the explosion shape. So here's the explosion shapes for the spark pins, laser boxes, jack's bombs, and then the box bombs. Okay, next section. Bomb flame types. We need to take the damage bits and the special effects bits and pack them together into a 4-bit value to get the 4-bit values for spark pin, laser box, jack's bomb, and box bomb FATA explosions. Okay, let's go down here. So, data, rule bomb, V16 bomb converted to V16 FATA. So here is the special effect and damage value that a spark pin emits, the FATA that a laser emits, the FATA that a jack's bomb emits, and the FATA that a box bomb emits, okay? Next section. So, in the bomb simfire function, right down here, we are now getting the V16 FATA value later down. Here's our explosion shape variable that we've added into here. And then down here, what kind of flames? We're going to use the V16 bomb to V16 FATA lookup table here. The bomb V16 value goes in, the FATA V16 comes out, and then the explosion shape. We're going to take the V16 of the bomb and get the explosion shape that that bomb should emit, and that's right here, ES4, explosion shape of which there are 4, and that's it. We're out of fucking time. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here. We don't have time on the fast playlist. Like, subscribe, send money.